Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Oil futures fell on Friday, declining more than 7% on the week after data showed China's economic growth slowed and investors digested a mixed Middle East outlook. Brent settled more than 7% lower this week, while WTI lost around 8%, marking their biggest weekly decline since September the 2nd. US dollar fell on Friday, taking a breather after 5 straight days of gains, as risk appetite increased following yet another round of stimulus measures from China that bolstered global equities led by Chinese stocks. Global hedge funds this week brought US information technology stocks, such as semiconductors and hardware, at the fastest in 5 months amid the start of the third quarter earnings season, according to Goldman Sachs.
The dollar dropped 0.4% against the yen in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.2%. According to the stochastic indicator, we are in an overbought market. The Aussie-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair dove 2% in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The US 3-month bill auction will be released at 15:30 GMT, the US 6-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT, Germany's producer price index at 6 GMT. China's PBOC interest rate decision will be released at 1:15 GMT, New Zealand's exports at 21:45 GMT, New Zealand's imports at 21:45 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.